Hello and welcome everybody. Welcome to the second episode of the series wherein we talk about multiple use cases of Kinetiq. So this particular use case that we're going to talk today is about URL direction. So what happens if you have a particular website in your mind, a particular link in your mind, and you want to understand its brand colors, understand its typography and text, and use the assets that are there in that particular website to create motion graphic videos for yourself. Would you be able to do it? Let's just find out. So what you can do is you can come to Kinetiq system, and if you would be able to see, you can see there is this button URL to video, which means that if you paste any particular link over here, Kinetiq will be able to crawl the entire website and understand what sort of assets that are there, and it can just get the assets and you can use the assets to create the motion graphics video for yourself. So what you're gonna do is today we're gonna check out Ultraviolet's website. Right, Ultraviolet is this Google, TV company from India, and we're gonna check for their F77 Super Street bike. Right, so I'll just copy the link from their website and I'll just paste it over here. Right, I hope this is visible to everybody over here. Now I have added this particular link, and let me just hit capture and let Kinetiq capture the entire website and see what all assets it is able to garner. Right, let's go. Okay, you can see this particular interface, the live capture status it's showing. So basically Kinetiq is capturing the entire site, it is working in the background. Let's just see what it comes up with. Already this is super cool. So if you can see over here, so Kinetiq has absolutely crawled and gotten all of these assets from Ultraviolet F77 Street Fighter website. Okay, so if you can see all of these images and videos Kinetiq has gotten, so we'll just select on a few. Let's just see, I've selected this and then this. Let's go for this. Let's go for this as well. What else is there? So these are extremely beautiful looking images. So let's go for this. So we'll try to keep it red centric. Let's go for this. You can see I've attached 6 images at this point. Let's just add Ultraviolet's logo as well. Just add this. Just add this as well. Add these let's just add these red accented images. So I think, yeah, that should be it. If you can see, so out of this entire gamut of images that it has captured, I have added 10 images. So for starters, this is pretty cool. We have kept it as red accented, asset imagery. So apart from this, right, so like if you can see, guys, like this is pretty easy, right? Like you just add the particular URL or link to it and it just does your job absolutely smoothly, right? Apart from this, it has captured, so Kinetiq is saying over here, it has captured Ultraviolet F77 brand colors, the entire palette, fonts, the headlines are pulled as well, right? And it has generated, if you see the LLM chat box, it has generated a prompt for you to put into it, right? And you also do not need to do anything else apart from this, right? So this is a pretty interesting feature. In the middle of the video, I would recommend everybody to go and try this feature out. This is extremely handy, right? So what has it mentioned? Let's just give it a go through. Create a polished 15-second brand video for Ultraviolet F77. This and this and this. It has added a lot of technical features to it. On top of it, I also want this to look premium brand launch film for Ultraviolet. Yeah. Now, does that make sense? Oh, absolutely, it does. I know. Right. So, all right. The entire prompt is here. The images are there. The brand color and the fonts and the headlines has already been captured. So let's just hit generate and let's see how it goes. Already, you can see the live chat status as well. All right, fair enough. So Kinetiq is responding and it is asking you questions. Now you as a user, you need to go through this and respond back to Kinetiq. So Kinetiq is able to get you pretty amazing motion graphic videos, right? So it is asking, lad, is clear, strong, 15 seconds, 16:9, Ultraviolet F77 want to launch film. So this and this. It is highlighting all the things that we just talked about. And apart from this, it wants to lock one thing before it builds, right? The audio, right? So it is saying that it is keeping no voiceover, subtle modern music, and is asking if I want it light, cinematic SFX, or music only. So I want I would respond, I want cinematic SFX to it with no voiceover, right? I think that should do the job. And subtle modern music. And let me just, copy from here and add it. Let's just hit generate. Okay, I started thinking. Fair enough. Kinetiq is pretty fast, isn't it? Alright, things are all good. Let's just hit generate and let's see what Kinetiq brings in as far as the motion video is concerned. Let's go. Alright, you can see the live generation status over here. Alrighty. Now if you see, the video has been generated, guys. It's in preview, so let's just hit preview and see how the video looks. Okay, the video has come out pretty cool. I think I have some changes in my mind that I want to do with this video. For example, and this is where some of the greatest capabilities and functionalities of Kinetiq comes in handy, which means that I can make changes to any and every frame of the entire video, right? So over here, if you can see, it's the 15-second frame. It's mentioned contact over here. I can make changes to this. Yeah, I can completely make changes to any frame over here, right? So I just want to remove contactors and I want to write, unleash the ultraviolet in you. This is what I want, right? And that's it. It is such easy job for you to change any particular frame and you would be able to do it, right? Apart from this, right, I want some smoother transitions. in the video. So for that, I can definitely chat more with Kinetiq and suggest whatever changes I have in my mind, and it will be able to do it. So let's just try. The video looks good, but I want some more smoother transitions. And apart from this, what do I want? I want less VFX. I want the film to look more premium, like a brand video. So I think this is going to be pretty interesting. So let us just hit it up and see what it is showing. Let's go. You can see the live chat state as always. So it is thinking. Okay, this is pretty cool. So if you can see, just a second. Yeah, so if you can see, it is saying that, yeah, I want this to feel more premium and restrained, smoother scene-to-scene movement, less visible VFX, and more like a polished brand film than effects-driven promo, right? So this is gonna be super cool. Let's just hit regenerate, and it's gonna regenerate the entire video for us. Just see, let's go. Alrighty, let's just wait for some more time for it to generate it properly. Alrighty, folks, this video is generated. Let's just play and see how it looks. This has come out pretty awesome, isn't it? Alright folks, that is it for now. I'll see you in the next videos discussing about more other use cases that we have. So yeah, have a very nice day and see you soon.